Dave here, Dave's Model Car Shop. 68 Camaro Street Machine is done. This is for the Blue Ox Street Machine group build. Well, it's done. It's not what I wanted it to turn out, but it is what it is. So let's dig in. Pretty basic. This has, I'm sure people have built this model before. Hold on here. It's this kit right here. Okay. These headers are the reason why they're not on here is because I don't know what happened. This, the passenger side was too low, driver side was too high. And it was only at the very end of the header where it met the collector to go into the side part. So that's why they're not on. So I took them off. I tried to take them off and I demolished one side. So there was no point of putting them on because I don't have another one to replace it. And I tried searching around on Facebook to see if I could find one, and nobody had it. So instead of me waiting for a new kit, I just went ahead and finished it. So that's why they're not on there. There's the underneath. Stock exhaust. I chopped it back, put dumps, and that's it. Looks okay. I'm not sure it goes very well with the tunnel ram, but you know, at this point it's done. So there's the engine. It's wired, battery cables. It's even got the heater hoses. It's got fuel lines. It's got a carburetor linkage. It's got brake lines with the proportional valve. It does have a fuel line that runs from the pump to the line that runs underneath the car. Same with the brakes. They all tied in together. I don't know if you can see it, but they're there. So, other than that, it really wasn't much to really talk about, other than I screwed up the paint on it. It was supposed to have been white and blue, but I don't know what happened with the white paint, but it came out. One side was really, really rough. The other side was nice and smooth, and I stripped it and painted it twice, and it still came out pretty much the same way. So I excuse me, I painted it flat black and 3 coats of clear, and there we go. Aftermarket stuff. We have Bob's Hobby Shop and RC for the spark plug wires. Rims and tires. Rims, not tires, came from Mean Machine. Resin 3D printed rims. Let's see, the radiator hoses from Bob's RC and Hobby. I know I said that wrong, but I'm tired. Yeah, I think that's about it. Nope, I'm lying. There is a resin 3D printed distributor. There's a 3D printed intake manifold. That is from MCV Productions. The distributor, again, once again, is from Bob's Hobby and RC. And I think I covered all the aftermarket stuff that I used. So the color, interior color, came out too dark. It was supposed to be a lighter blue, but that is Rust-Oleum ink stain. And that's about it. So she's done as best as I'm going to get it. I'm sure the 3 people that have left ain't going to see this video. So we're going to move on to the next thing I've been working on. This has been consuming all my time. Is this little pain in my backside. This is the one something scale. US Arizona. Started this about a month ago. This is as far as I've gotten. So that's about it with that. And what I'm going to start next is this. So that's coming up. I don't know if I'm going to put out any more videos at this point. But if I do, the Corvette would be the next one. If I don't, then, you know, I don't. So anyways, I do appreciate everybody's likes, subscribe, sharing, commenting. I know I've lost half a dozen subscribers because I really haven't been posting. But just, I've been working on the Battleship and I've never done it before. And it's not something that I want to sit there and make a video on until it's done. It was a lot of little pieces, a lot of frustration, and you know, and it's been between that and working on this, you know, it really hasn't been too much. It's been kind of boring, so I didn't want to waste anybody's time watching a hour video on me fighting with those little pieces on the Arizona. The Camaro here, great kit. The only issues I had with it were with the headers. That was it. Other than that, went together beautiful, no problems. You know, a couple little things that I caused, like the paint and whatever happened to the side pipes, the headers for the side pipes. I don't know. But I'm going to leave it there. Y'all have a good night, and I'll catch you on the next one, maybe.